Have you ever wondered what the exact amount is in your bank account at this very moment? It's a simple question, but it holds a lot of weight. Being aware of your financial status is not just about knowing your worth, it's about understanding where you stand and where you're headed. It's about the small purchases that add up, the savings that accumulate, and the future that awaits. So think about it. What's the figure that pops up in your mind? So, are you up for the challenge? Welcome to the Money Challenge. The idea here is simple, yet so powerful. It's all about understanding your financial situation, down to the last penny. Think of it as a deep dive into your bank account. We're aiming for crystal clear financial literacy here, folks. It's about knowing where you stand so you can plan where you're going. Ignorance may be bliss, but not when it comes to your money. So are you ready? It's time to face the numbers. Why does it matter to know exactly what's in your bank account? Well, imagine going on a journey with no idea of how much fuel you have in your tank. Sounds a bit risky, doesn't it? The same principle applies to your finances. Your bank account is essentially the fuel tank for your financial journey. It's the resource that powers your ability to meet your needs, achieve your goals, and secure your future. Understanding your financial status is like having a map for your journey. It tells you where you are, where you can go, and how to get there. If you're aware of your financial status, you can plan effectively for your future. You can set realistic financial goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or simply saving for a rainy day. On the other hand, not knowing your financial status can lead to some serious consequences. It's like driving in the dark without headlights. You may end up spending more than you earn, accumulating debt, or even facing financial crises without any warning. The unexpected can always happen. You might lose your job, face a medical emergency, or encounter an unexpected expense. If you're not aware of your financial status, these situations can hit you hard. But if you know exactly what's in your bank account, you can prepare for the unexpected. You can build an emergency fund, manage your spending, and make informed financial decisions. Moreover, knowing your financial status can empower you to take control of your finances. It can help you identify areas where you can save money, opportunities for investment, and ways to increase your income. It's not just about knowing how much money you have, but also understanding how you can make your money work for you. In the end, it's not just about the amount in your bank account. It's about the confidence, security, and freedom that comes with financial awareness and control. It's about being equipped to navigate the financial journey of life. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Let's dive into ways you can keep a closer eye on your finances. Understanding where your money goes is the first step in gaining control over your financial situation. Start by tracking your expenses. It might seem tedious, but it's a habit that can pay dividends in the long run. You can do this manually by keeping receipts and noting down each purchase, or you can make use of technology. There are numerous apps available that can automatically track your spending and categorize it for you. Apps like Mint or Pocket Guard can sync with your bank account and give you a detailed breakdown of your spending habits. Next, analyze your income sources. If you have multiple streams of income, it's essential to know how much each one is contributing to your overall financial health. This not only helps you understand where your money is coming from, but also allows you to identify potential areas of growth or diversification. Now, let's talk about saving. Saving money is a lot like dieting. It's all about balance and making small sustainable changes. Start by setting a budget and sticking to it. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guide, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Consider opening a high-yield savings account or investing in a retirement fund. These methods can help your savings grow over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Automating your savings is another effective strategy. Set up a monthly transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. Finally, consider using cashback or rewards credit cards for your regular purchases. These cards can earn you rewards or cashback on your spending, effectively saving you money. But remember, always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. There you have it, folks. Tracking your expenses, analyzing your income, and adopting effective saving strategies can significantly improve your financial health. And with the help of technology, it's easier than ever. Remember, every penny counts. Now it's time for me to reveal my own financial status. Let's pull back the curtain and take a peek into my own bank account. Now, I'll remind you that everyone's financial journey is different, and it's not about comparing numbers, but about understanding our own financial health. I've been diligently tracking my expenses, budgeting, and saving, and as of today, I have a total of £50,000 in my bank account. It's taken me a few years of careful planning and financial discipline to reach this milestone. So, how did I manage to accumulate this amount? Well, here are a few strategies that I've implemented. First off, I made it a point to set aside a fixed percentage of my income each month, right after payday. This ensured that I was saving before I started spending. I found that setting up an automatic transfer made it easier to stick to this habit. Secondly, I started investing in a diversified portfolio. Investing can be intimidating, but with a little bit of research and understanding, it can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. I sought advice from financial advisors and also made use of online resources to educate myself about different investment options. Thirdly, I started a side hustle. This not only provided me with an additional income stream, but also allowed me to explore my passions and interests. Lastly, I kept a close eye on my expenses. I used budgeting apps to track my spending and identify areas where I could cut back. This helped me avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize my financial goals. It's important to note that these methods worked for me, but they may not work for everyone. The key is to find what works for you and your unique financial situation. Remember, it's not about having a huge amount of money in your bank account, but about being in control of your finances and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. See, it's not that scary to face the numbers. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've discovered the significance of understanding our financial status. It's not just about knowing how much money we have right now, but also about comprehending where it's coming from and where it's going. We've looked into various methods of tracking our expenses and analyzing our income sources. We've also explored some effective strategies for saving money. We've realized that it's not just about the amount in our bank account, but how we manage it. It's about making informed decisions, planning for the future, and ensuring financial security. And remember, the journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about consistency, discipline, and making smart choices. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. So keep these points in mind, apply these tips, and take control of your finances. Remember, the first step to financial success is awareness. Now, it's your turn. Imagine how empowering it would feel to have a thorough understanding of your financial status. Yes, it might seem daunting, but remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. So why not give it a try? Take a moment to log into your bank account, and let's see what you find. Maybe there's more than you thought, perhaps less. But whatever the number, remember that it's not a reflection of your worth, but merely a starting point for future planning. Once you've done that, why not share your experiences? You don't have to divulge any specifics, of course, but let us know how it felt to face your financial reality head-on. It's all about fostering a community where we can learn from each other after all. Don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Until next time, keep counting those pennies.